Hello viewers, thanks for watching. Previously we learned about box model in lesson 11. There we discussed about padding, border and margin. Now we're going to learn about border box. We're going to use the same CSS file, style.css, and we're going to use the new HTML file. Create a new file, click on there, put a name with the extension of HTML, type border box dot HTML, enter. Just type exclamatory sign, then enter. So under the title, make a link between HTML file and the CSS file. Type link, enter. Relationship is style sheet and href should be the address of the CSS file. /style.css. That CSS file linked with this HTML file. In between opening and closing body tags, we need some boxes. Type div dot class name is bx times how many times? 4 times. I need 4 times. Enter. 4 divs there. For the first class name, type box bx1, 2 bx2, and for 3 bx3, and for the fourth one bx4. And in between divs, type box1. Actually, how to select all of this? Click Alt, then put your cursor in all of the others box, then just click somewhere else and put this one is box 2, then box 3, then box 4. Save it. Now click on this, go live. These are 4 boxes: box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4. Let's put our browser next to the text editor and go to the style.css. We're gonna write our code under this border box. How to group all of this box together? Previously we learned, start with the dot, class name is bx1, bx2, bx3, bx4. All of them together, just separate with the comma. bx1 comma dot bx2 comma dot bx3 comma dot bx4. Curly braces, enter. With 200 pixel, height should be 200 as well. Pixel, save it. Box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4. But it's not showing like a box, just separate them. So now put the class name separately. Dot bx1 background color red. Dot bx2 background color blue. bx3 curly braces, enter, background color green, and bx4 curly braces, enter, background color yellow. Save it. Let's put some margin. So we're gonna put the same margin for all of these boxes, so we can put inside the group 1. So margin 20 pixel. Now they are separated, so 20 pixel margin around the every single box. For the box 1 and box 3, we are not changing anything. For the box 2, let's add some padding. Padding 10 pixel, and for the box 4, padding 20 pixel. For box 2 and box 4, we added some padding. For box 2, we add 10 pixel padding for all 4 sides, and for the box 4, we added 20 pixel. As soon as we add the padding, the box size increased. See, the first one and third one we didn't change, we didn't add any padding, they are same, but box 2 gone little bit on the right and the box 4 more right. The box size changed. If we go to the Google Chrome developer tool, we see it properly. You see on the right side of the Google Chrome there are some dot. Click on there. When you go bottom, you can see says more tools. When you put your cursor there, you can see on the left side, the bottom it says developer tool. Click on there, it will open the developer tool. Here is the box 1. Click on there. You see our content size is 200 by 200 and there is no padding. Check the box 2. Click on there, it says 200 by 200 and padding is 10 around. And for the box 3, there is no padding. And for the box 4, there is 20 pixel of padding added. Means the content size is 200 by 200, and for the fourth one added 20 pixel padding for all sides. That means increased the box size, and for the box 2 as well, increased 10 pixel of padding for all 4 sides. So increase the size as well. Let's change the box size. Inside the group 1, put the box size. Box sizing, there are some options: border box or content box. Put the content box and save it. Check the browser, nothing changed, same, because default box sizing is content box. That's why when you put content box, nothing changed. But if you put border box, save it, check it, all box size is same, it's not increased. Second one and fourth one is gone back to the previous size. So let's check it on the Chrome developer tool. So this one is box 2. Our content size was 200 by 200 and we put 10 pixel of padding for all 4 sides. So for the height 10, 10, 20 and 180 is 200. So when you put the box size in border box, then the box will stay within the width and height. But if you don't put the border box, that time it will just add the padding. And for the box 4 as well, width and height, reduced the content size and put the rest of the size with the padding. So if you add 20 with 160, it will be 200. So 200 by 200. If you want to make 200 by 200, then you have to add the and check box 1. Box 1 you see 200 by 200, but there is no padding. For the box 3 as well, same, 200 by 200, no padding. So if you want to keep the box size the same, then you need to put box sizing border box. You should have Chrome developer tool in your Chrome browser. If you don't have, check it first. Click on this 3 dot, go to the more tool. If you see this developer tool, that means you have that. If you don't have, then go to the browser and search for the Chrome developer tool, or maybe you can put this address google.com/chrome/dev. search it, you will see the page like this, and just click on the download Chrome dev. Then your extension will be in the Google Chrome and you can use the developer tool to check these things. It is very helpful thing. Close this developer tool. I think that's all for today. Hope it will help you for your web development. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.